Alright guys, and welcome back to Hector's Real Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing my new electric 26-inch bike. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. You can actually check it out. Putting this together was actually pretty straightforward. The bike comes about 90% pre-assembled, so you're not building an entire bike from scratch. Most of what you're doing is attaching the remaining parts, making sure everything's set and down, and giving it a final once-over before taking it out for a ride. If you put together a bicycle before, this shouldn't be anything too intimidating. Once it's assembled, the first thing that stands out is just how substantial the bike feels. Between the fat tires, the frame, and the battery, it definitely has a solid build. Alright, got the bike up, got the tires inflated, nice little light here. Alright, came with these as well. But man, this is heavy duty, man. This is cool. Little spot here so you can put stuff in the back. Very nice tires. Alright, and then some of the other things that I wanted to show that it came with, obviously, well, the user manual, your toolkit, so you can do all the installation as you saw. Some other cool things is like a whole bike lock for it. You have to use this one too. Alright, and then since they do also give you the keys, you would want to put it right here so it does have a removable battery, and then watch, this part will come out just like that. So another cool feature on there, that's what you would use these keys for. And literally just put it back, snap it in place, take the key out, and then it's good to go. This electric bike inflator for these 26-inch tires, you're gonna need something like this. And then last but not least, it also does come with a phone mount, which I thought was super cool. I did end up mounting my GoPro, which you'll see, but I do like that you could also put your phone on there as well. Alright, and if we wanted to use this back piece right here, wanted to try to strap this in, take the party somewhere. Bam! The cool part about having this back here, strap something back here, super simple, very cool, easy to use. And then up front, if it does get dark, let me go ahead and turn on that light for you. Fire it up. Alright, and then we'll hit the light button right here. A little hard to see during the day, but they both are on right there, which, yeah, you can see it right there. And you also have one back here as well. So super cool safety parts of the bike. Alright, and then if we wanted to turn it on, we're gonna go ahead and hit this switch right here. And then right over here, we're gonna hit this power button. Usually hold it. The screen fires up. We're gonna go ahead and put the key right here. Boom. We are ready to go. So let's go ahead and actually test it out. Alright, we're ready to go. This one things we got a horn here. Got a little turn off your lights up front. Let's go ahead and get going. Look at that, takes off right away. Holy shit. Look, speed 2. Holy, look at this. Slow it down a bit, brakes for good. Alright, we got a straight shot right here. We're gonna just go ahead and go for it. Put it on the third one. Guys, this thing hauls ass. What's the U right here? Or actually, we'll just take it right here. Good idea. This thing hauls ass quick. I have to keep this bad boy. Look at this. Holy shit. Alright guys, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new electric bike, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.